Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change the Shein account password on an Android device. Well, changing your password in your Shein account helps safeguard your personal information, enhances account security, and reduces the risk of unauthorized access or account compromise. It's an essential step in maintaining the integrity and privacy of your online accounts. Well, let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open Shein application. Okay, so here, enter to your profile section. And then look for settings icon. After that, tap on it. Okay, and here, you can select manage my account option. After that, select change password. Okay, next step. Enter your current password. And then create a new password. And then confirm the new password here. So lastly, click submit option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the Shein account password on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.